Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're unboxing and reviewing the Makeup Advent Calendar 2024, the perfect Christmas gift for teen girls, women, or anyone who loves beauty products. This is a fun, creative way to count down the days until Christmas with 24 days of makeup surprises. The Makeup Advent Calendar 2024 is a beautifully packaged set that offers a wide variety of beauty products, all carefully arranged in individually numbered gift boxes. Inside, you'll find everything you need to create a full makeup look. The set includes one eyeliner, one eyebrow pencil, one 3-color eyebrow powder, one eyeshadow, one mascara, one eyebrow gel, 2 lipsticks, one lip balm, 2 lip glosses, 2 lip liners, one contour, one highlighter, 2 blushes, a compact mirror, makeup sponge, scrunchie, 2 makeup brushes, and 1 makeup pad. It's essentially a beauty lover's dream, packed into a fun countdown format. When it comes to usage, this advent calendar is easy to incorporate into your daily beauty routine. Each product is thoughtfully designed to suit all skin tones and types, making it accessible for a wide range of users. From the vibrant shades of lipstick to the smooth textures of the eyeshadow and blush, you can enjoy a variety of looks throughout December while building up excitement for Christmas Day. In terms of performance, I was really impressed with the quality of each product. The eyeliner glides on smoothly, the mascara gives a nice lift, and the lip products are both moisturizing and pigmented. The eyebrow products offer great precision, and the eyeshadow has a nice blendability. Everything in this set feels premium, without any harsh chemicals, as it's all non-toxic, cruelty-free, and designed to be safe for your skin. Now, let's talk about some pros and cons. On the plus side, this set provides a wide variety of products for a reasonable price. It's a great way to try out different makeup items without committing to full-sized versions. The packaging is adorable, making it a great gift option. However, the downside is that some of the products are smaller than expected, which is typical for advent calendars, but it might not satisfy those who prefer full-sized items. In comparison to similar makeup advent calendars on the market, this one stands out due to the diversity of items it offers. While other sets may focus solely on lip products or eyeshadow, this one provides a complete beauty experience, from brows to lips to face, all in one set. It's an all-in-one package for someone just starting out with makeup or for a beauty enthusiast looking to try something new. As for value for money, I believe this advent calendar offers great value. For a set packed with so many products, the price is quite reasonable. If you break it down, it's like receiving a new product every day for 24 days, and who doesn't love surprises? Plus, the quality is high, and the non-toxic, cruelty-free features are a definite win. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sturdy and visually appealing, and all the products inside are well made. The compact mirror and makeup sponge are a nice touch, adding extra functionality to the set. The makeup brushes and pad are soft and gentle on the skin, which enhances the overall user experience. When it comes to user-friendliness, this advent calendar is perfect for anyone, whether you're a beginner or an experienced makeup user. Each product is easy to use, and the compact sizes make it travel-friendly. The numbered boxes make it fun and exciting to open every day, so it's ideal for gifting. I also want to mention that this set is a fantastic gift idea for a wide range of people. Whether you're shopping for a teen, a friend, or a loved one, this Makeup Advent Calendar is a unique and thoughtful present. It adds a festive touch to the Christmas countdown, making the holiday season even more special. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you won't miss out on more amazing reviews like this one. It helps us bring you more great content, and your support means the world to us. In conclusion, the Makeup Advent Calendar 2024 is a great pick for those who love makeup and want a fun way to count down to Christmas. With a wide variety of products and excellent quality, it's a wonderful gift for teens, women, or anyone who enjoys experimenting with new beauty looks. It's affordable, high quality, and will bring joy throughout the holiday season. I would definitely recommend this product to anyone looking for a festive and fun makeup experience. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You can find the link to get this Makeup Advent Calendar 2024 in the description box below. And feel free to leave any questions or share your thoughts if you already own this set. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next review.